Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful stock market investing? Whether you're a beginner, intimidated by your Robinhood app, or you're a seasoned investor who just wants to diversify your portfolio, today's video is for you. We're diving deep into the top 5 stock market strategies that can help you build serious wealth over time. I'm talking life-changing wealth, the kind that lets you retire early, travel the world, and finally buy that dream car you've always wanted. Let's dive in. First up, we're starting strong with dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Let me tell you, this strategy is like the Honda Civic of investing. Simple, reliable, and it gets you where you need to go. Instead of trying to time the market, which, let's be honest, is about as reliable as a weather forecast a week out, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the stock price is doing. Think of it like setting your bills on autopay, but instead of paying rent, you're buying pieces of your favorite companies. This way, you're not stuck dumping a ton of money into the market when prices are high, and you're not panicking and selling when the market takes a dip. Over time, DCA can actually lower your average cost per share, which means more potential profits for you. It's all about staying consistent and letting time work its magic. Next up, we're diving into the world of dividend investing, because who doesn't love getting paid? Imagine this, you buy a stock and then that stock pays you just for owning it. That's the beauty of dividends. These regular payouts from companies are like little bonuses that land in your account. And the best part? You can either reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares, growing your wealth exponentially, or you can cash them out and treat yourself to something nice. Now, not all companies pay dividends, but the ones that do, especially those with a long history of increasing their payouts, can provide you with a steady stream of passive income, even when the market is going crazy. Think of it as your own personal money printing machine, fueled by the stock market. Now, if picking individual stocks sounds about as fun as doing your taxes, then index fund investing might be your new best friend. This strategy is all about simplicity and diversification. Instead of betting on one or two companies, you're investing in a whole basket of stocks through a single fund. These funds track specific indexes like the S&P 500, which represents the 500 largest companies in the US stock market. And the best part? Index funds typically have lower fees than actively managed funds, meaning you get to keep more of your hard-earned profits. Historically, index funds have outperformed most actively managed funds over the long term, making them a fantastic option for investors who want solid, steady growth without the headache of stock picking. Now, if you're feeling a little more adventurous and want the potential for those life-changing returns, let's talk about growth investing. This strategy is all about finding companies with massive potential for future growth. The kind of companies that are disrupting industries and changing the world as we know it. We're talking about companies in cutting-edge fields like technology, green energy, artificial intelligence, and biotech. These companies are like the Teslas of the stock market. They might be volatile, but they have the potential to leave everyone else in the dust. Growth stocks typically reinvest their profits to fuel even more growth, so they might not pay dividends right away. But if you're patient and can handle some ups and downs, the potential rewards can be astronomical. And finally, we've arrived at our last but certainly not least strategy: value investing. This is the strategy Warren Buffett built his empire on, and it's all about finding those hidden gems in the market, companies that are trading for less than they're actually worth. Think of it like going thrift shopping for stocks. Value investors are like financial detectives, digging deep into a company's financials, looking at their earnings, revenue, debt, and everything in between. They're looking for companies that are fundamentally sound but have been overlooked or undervalued by the market. This strategy requires patience and a keen eye for value, but when you find a true diamond in the rough, the rewards can be incredible. There you have it. 5 powerful stock market investment strategies to consider as you build your portfolio. Remember, the key to success in the stock market is long-term thinking, diversification, and discipline. Don't get caught up in the hype or try to time the market perfectly. Instead, Focus on building a solid investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. And remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Which strategy do you think is best for your investment goals? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more finance tips. See you in the next video.